Hello, what's up guys? So today we are going to be vlogging in India in monsoon season. So as you can see, it's all really like wet, it's raining and the camera's going a bit blurry. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like in the middle of a monsoon season and standing outside in rain. So my house, big, really big. So I'm going to be going into someone's farm. Looks like you're allowed to do it here. That's a big river. Obviously, I think you can see it. There's a big one in front of my house. And here comes the farm. It's getting really wet and there's no cows. So that's really weird. So I'll go a bit more outside. Because when it rains here, it doesn't just rain like in the United Kingdom, it rains really bad. I just came here for a holiday and to have fun really, but as you can see, there's literally there's loads of water running down each lane. And you can see there's a little mountain over there. On the top of that is probably going to be really wet. And wait a minute here, I've just cut my thumb. There we go. So I just nearly slipped there. See a little mark there. I don't think I'm allowed here this far, but my Nana said it's okay, so I'll carry on in it for a bit. Hurts that. So as you can see, there's a really long river here that's going down. It's gonna go. There's like a little way there where it all goes into one big load of water, and then there's a big park over there. You know, can you see that little house over there? In front of that there's a big park. That's where it all gathers up. That's why the cows all go into the farm. So that's someone shouting at me there. And here's some old guy walking down the street. Oh yeah, I didn't find out that. He's my granddad. As you can see, wait. I'll take it to him. I will show you. He lives in a different house to me. Here he is. Huh? I'm doing a video. Video कर रहा हूँ.
क्या?
YouTube में रखा ना.
Yeah?
YouTube में. There he is.
Yeah.
Having a jaisa. Now I'm gonna go down here, past his house. This is his house here. It's kind of stopped raining now, so there won't be big rivers or like little lanes of water going down because it's literally stopped. I think it's going to rain even more because if you can see, there's a big cloud there that is black. So there's people on the motorbike. Then we're going to go back to my house. So I'll put the camera in the front so you can see everyone. Look, This is a motorbike, as you can see. That's not mine, but mine's in the garage, which obviously I can't video because I've not got a GoPro or anything yet. I will be getting one on my 12th birthday, so if you want me, guys, when I come next year, I could do a video. Look at this. Oh my god, look at that big fast river running down from the whole lane. It's just going so fast. Hopefully you can see it. Wait a minute. I don't think you can see it. Right there. Look at that. So I'm going to carry on. So a big motorbike guy coming. Old guy. On his little red scooter. So here he comes. Yeah, he's looking at me like, oh my god. Alright, so we're gonna stop vlogging now, but I've gotta go and have my dinner because right now it's about, wait a minute, it's 4 o'clock here. It's 4 hours different from England, so we gotta go now. Bye.